Dear students, today we are going to look at alimentary canal of bird. Okay, now we have the beak. Okay, we have the mouth here. Then here is the anus. Okay, organism with two opening in the digestive system, which means they possess mouth and anus, are said to have complete digestive system. Organisms with only one opening, that is usually mouth, no anus, are said to have incomplete digestive system. Okay, incomplete digestive system. Now, here is the bird. It has mouth and anus. That means the digestive system here is complete. Now, they don't have teeth in the mouth. So any food they feed on, they swallow it directly. Here is the crop. Okay, here is the esophagus. So as they feed or pick seeds here in the mouth, they swallow it directly. It moves down to the crop. Then crop is the site for temporal storage of food. Okay, the food they feed on are stored temporarily. They are stored temporarily in the crop. And this crop here consists of bacteria which facilitates facilitates digestion. Okay, the crop is for temporary storage of food and it consists of bacteria which facilitates digestion of food. Then here is proventriculus, which serve as a glandular stomach. Why is it called glandular stomach? It consists of glandular cells which are responsible for producing and secreting digestive enzymes that act on this food. Like I said before, the food are stored temporarily in the crop before it migrates to the proventriculus, where digestive enzymes are secreted by glandular cells, which helps to facilitate digestion. Then here is the gizzard. The birds or some other apes feed on sand and tiny stones, which is packed here in the gizzard and serve as a crushing mechanisms or grinding mechanisms of these food substances. And that is why the gizzard is known as the grinding stomach. This is the structure that looks like onion in bed or in fowl. Okay, it consists of tiny sands and stones which it's used to grind the food because they don't have teeth. So the gizzard here serve as the teeth that facilitate mechanical breakdown of food. The function is for mechanical breaking down of food. Okay, because of the presence of tiny sands and stones. Okay, then here is the gall bladder. This is the gall bladder. Then here we have the liver. Okay, liver produces bile which are stored temporarily in the gallbladder. Okay, here is liver. Okay, liver produces bile. Okay, and the bile are stored in the gall bladder. Okay, that means The liver produces bile, and this bile is stored here in the gallbladder. Okay, that is to say, gallbladder is the site for bile storage. Then here is the pancreas. Okay, pancreas, here we have the small intestine and the large intestine. Then this anus here is known as cloaca. Okay, cloaca is the anus through which the undigestible food particles are released. Okay, the pancreas here synthesizes and releases the pancreatic juice, which facilitates digestion. Okay, then absorption of nutrients takes place in the small intestine, while absorption of water takes place here. This is for absorption of nutrients, and this one is for absorption of water and electrolytes. Okay, nutrient absorption takes place in the small intestine, while absorption of water and electrolyte takes place in the large intestine. And in the large intestine, this is where the concentration of physics is maintained. Then those food substances or particles that are not digested both mechanically and chemically are passed out through the process known as ejection through the cloaca or anus. This is all we have for now. Thank you and God bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have questions, you can come to the comment section. Okay? Thank you and God bless you.